First, let me introduce some features and benefits for both of Q5 and Q9. Both of our Q5 and Q9 are based on the Windows platform. Compared with the Linux, so the workflow is better for customers. And secondly, the user defense is very good. Just for example, for this system, we have different applications, different presets. For each preset, we also have the user defense preset, 5 user defense presets. So that means it can be used by 5 different doctors. The image size and the parameters are shown here, and this is a small area that can allow you to save some images and send memory in this area. And for both Q5 and Q9, our system is very easy to adjustment. Touch it to adjust the first line, rotate it to adjust the second line. And also, we have a function on the Q5, we call it one key or AIO. AIO means automatic image optimization. Just for example, it's better I can take the image. So sometimes when you think the image is very strange and you don't know how to adjust it, just press one key. You can get a good image. So that means one key optimize the image automatically. This is what means AIO. And secondly, for our system, we have another function we call it one key save. When you freeze it, we can press this button to save the images or press this button to save the scene memories. I think most of the companies they can do this. But for our system, we can save the image on the real time. Press it, now you can save the image, and also now it's real time. Now you can save the image or save the scene memories. So this is one of our features compared with the other system. It can save a lot of time for the doctors. Okay, now let's see what's more. Now when we freeze it, sometimes the doctors they want to do some measurement. Just for example, I want to measure a distance. And here is the result. Now maybe you think it's very small, you can't see it because you stand far away. Okay, for the Q5, we have another feature. We can adjust the font size of the result. And also we can remove it anywhere. So this is another thing for the Q5. And also sometimes we want to do some measurement by the measurement packages. And we have the special packages for different animals like kidney. And also for different animals we have different calculation packages. We have cardiologists and OB. And also we have different animals. Let's see. We have a kidney, organ, bovine, and filling. Okay, just for introduction, for this system, we can support video print and PC print, especially for the PC print. We can allow the customer install the PC driver by themselves, so not like the traditional ultrasound. So this is for the print. Okay, now last thing for this system, it's very easy for the service because we know service is very important in the United States. So for this same system, we have a function we call it one key upgrade. I see the software version and firmware version. Both of them just need to copy the update package into USB and then one key for upgrading. So this is some features for both of Q5 and Q9. And today I bring this new model, which is Q9. So now let me introduce some new things for this model compared with Q5. Firstly, this model can support continuous wave. So that means we can support phase array probes that allow you to sell this machine in the cardiology applications. And secondly, we have some other features like this BBC mode, the B mode and the color mode in the real time. This is auto trace in the real time. So not like the other ultrasound, they want to freeze it. And also like this system, we want to freeze it and one key to measure the power wave. But for this system, even on the real time, you can do the measurements. Yeah, so this is another feature for the Q9. Okay, for the human, for this system, currently we can support a high frequency linear probe, which can up to 80 microns. This probe. So, like manually, even they just can up to 15 microns. But for the Q9, we can go up to 80 microns. Yeah. So this is our Q9. As I mentioned, compared with Q5, firstly, we still have a very good workflow, and secondly, we still have because we based on the Windows platform, so it's very user-defined. And also we have some other new features, like we can support the continuous wave, so that can allow you to sell this machine in the cardiology applications. We have high frequency linear probe that can allow you to sell like some be used for some MSK applications and vascular applications. And thirdly, we have some new functions like BBC mode, like triplex mode, and I forgot one thing. We can support elastography, and we can support ECG. Yeah, so this is our Q9.